Welcome to this video where we are excited to present the latest enhancements to My Simple ISP cloud-based bandwidth and hotspot management system. At My Simple ISP, we put the power in your hands, allowing each ISP to host our software on their server. Currently, we are showcasing the mobile version of our platform. Specifically, we are on the dashboard page. Here, you have the ability to monitor your server under the System Resources section. Here, you can monitor the CPU, RAM, disk, and average load time. Under the Client section, we've introduced the Import section. So this is a very powerful feature because this feature lets you seamlessly transfer all your client information from sources like MikroTik or any other third-party platforms you might be using, hence streamlining your operations. Then still under the CRM section, we have the support section that we've greatly improved. So under the support section, we have invested in improvements to make sure your journey with My Simple ISP software is as easy and efficient as possible, ensuring a smooth transition. On top of that, we have introduced a section where you can link your email address so that you can get all your emails under one platform. Then we have the network IPv4 section. So under this section, we have revamped the IPv4 network setup. You now have the freedom to choose the network address class that suits your needs, or even customize it on per location basis. And by that, I mean you can have the 192, you can use the 172, you can use the 10.10, very customizable. In addition to that, you can select the right subnet based on your estimated number of hosts per area, as you can see. Then let's move to the tariff section. So as previously discussed in our earlier video, this section provides detailed settings aligned with your company's specific guidelines, from download speeds to burst threshold, and most importantly, aggregation, where if you choose to give clients dedicated internet, you can choose an aggregation of 1:1. In case of shared internet, you can choose 1:4, 1:2, depending on your company policies. Then we move on to the next section I just want to emphasize on, and that is hotspot. And just want to go to plan section. I want to create a plan. So I just want to emphasize on this section over here. I had mentioned on the previous, I just want to make an emphasis. So let's say your off-peak hours is between 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. You can create a package for, let's say, Saturday and Sunday, whereas every Saturday and Sunday you have a package that appears on the landing page from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. at a specific price so that you can onboard more clients. Again, you can put the price over there. For users, you can have one voucher per device, one voucher per 3 devices, depending on your company needs. Then we have this section over here. So let's say, for example, tomorrow is Christmas and you want to give people 50% or discount, and let's say for this package the pricing was 20 bob over here. So once you turn on this offer, that means that package will have a 50% discount, and it will show on the landing page, helping people celebrate whichever event that you might want to celebrate with them, and that will be good for helping you onboard more clients. So I want us to move to the administration section. So let's move to the administration section. Here I want to go to roles and then create new roles. So under the administration section, you have the flexibility to assign multiple roles to individuals, whether it's a hotspot manager or a PPOE manager. You can allocate specific permissions to each, ensuring a fine-tuned access control system. On top of that, under permissions, here, you have the ability to customize new permissions tailored to your organization's unique requirements. Then we go to configuration section under SMS gateway. So just want to show you as a picture that I took. We've expanded our capabilities in incorporating multiple SMS platforms, and we remain committed to adding more based on preferred providers. As you can see here, we have Mobitech, Africa Stockings, and so on and so forth. And then we have API keys. Our API key section allows you to integrate Google Maps for precise client geographic location, pinpointing during onboarding. And rest assured, we are planning to introduce even more integrations to further enhance your experience. And lastly, I want to go to a crucial section called components. Here you can monitor the OpenVPN, you can monitor the Radius server, and you can monitor the supervisor. Notably, these components automatically restart every 24 hours at 12 a.m. However, in the event of a freeze or service interruption due to unexpected occurrences, you have the ability to manually restart them. So for example, you can manually restart your OpenVPN, you can restart your server, which makes it easier and ensures that your product or this software runs as efficiently as possible. In conclusion, these updates reflects our dedication to making MySimple ISP software an even more robust and user-friendly tool for ISPs. We look forward to your feedback and are excited to continue evolving with your needs. Please get in touch and we'll get you hooked.